Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this product that seems different than any other product I've really tried before. This is from the brand PUR, which I love the brand PUR, and it's the Iconic Glow Illuminating Face and Body Dry Oil. So I actually just got this in my spring 2021 FabFitFun box, and I'm really happy with that box. So if you have not seen my unboxing of it, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. So this has a retail value of $28, but I love getting these types of products in FabFitFun because I got it for such a great deal. And it looks so pretty. Like, I love sparkly, glowy types of products. It's also cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly. And when I was looking it up online, it has a lot of nourishing ingredients. So I love when products have good ingredients so that it's also targeting your skin while you're wearing it. So it says that this has jojoba oil, macadamia oil, and meadow foam seed oil to moisturize the skin. It has diamond powder to brighten and illuminate the skin, and then bisabolol and ginger extract to be soothing and antioxidant. Like, even the packaging, I'm like confused on how you even disperse it, but let's see. Oh wow, it's a dropper. I, for some reason, was not expecting that, but I want to just put a little onto my hand here and just see how it looks. Definitely feels oily, just like it should, considering it's called an oil. Oh. And it definitely does smell like a little something, a little florally, like it smells really nice. And I can see that a little goes a long way, which is great. But it does have gold glitter pieces to it, because that's something that, I mean, I love glitter, but I don't love the look of just like random flakes of glitter on the skin, kind of like that Beauty Crop glitter setting spray that I tried out recently that I loved the idea of, and it kind of looked like this in the bottle, but then when you spray it on the skin, it's just kind of like a random fleck of glitter all over. And hopefully this won't be like that, but I do kind of get a little bit of that effect, but it's almost like there's more glitter and it's smaller, so maybe it's a bit more subtle. But I mean, you can kind of see the difference in my hands. Like, this one is completely hydrated. This hand is dry, but it does have just like glitter. So I really like this for the body because I love body glitter. I don't mind random glitter flecks on the body, but when it comes to the face, I don't love that. And because it's hydrating and has a little bit of sheen, that's really flattering for the body if you want to put it on like the shoulders, anywhere. But I really like the texture. The whole dry oil threw me off a little bit. I'm not too familiar with dry oils, but it doesn't feel dry. Like, it feels kind of like the texture after applying a lotion. So very hydrated, lightweight. So I really like this for the body. But now I'm very curious to try it out on my face. So what I want to do is just apply it to half of my face so we can see the difference. And then I'm just going to blend it in. But yeah, seeing it on my face, it has a lot of sparkle and glitter to it, which, I mean, it's a little bit hard to see that on camera. Wow, look at how shiny and slick that's looking. But yeah, I don't like the look of it alone because of the glitter. It just looks, I mean, for the right occasion, having all this glitter on the face is fine, but it just looks very festive, you know? But so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it to the rest of my face. Okay, so it's applied to my entire face now, and my face, it's looking greasy, oily, shiny, and very glittery. So I don't really think this looks that good. I definitely would love this on the body, but for the face, it's just too much. But so now I'm gonna apply my foundation like the instructions say, and we'll see how the foundation looks, if it looks glowy. And I'm going in with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, which is the foundation that I love to try out with primers, because we'll really be able to see how the skin looks underneath. The foundation does seem to be sticking onto it pretty well, and that's something that I really look for in my primers. And the foundation is looking hydrated and glowy, but so now half of my face has the foundation, half of it doesn't. It looks so much better with the foundation. It's toned down the sheen, but it still looks super radiant. It has glow and sheen, but not too much. I'm really liking this. I can still see a little bit of glitter peeking through. So, I mean, I could just layer up a little bit more coverage. It's kind of weird having to cover up glitter though, because now it's just kind of like a random flake of glitter is like peeking through, and that's exactly what I was saying I don't really love the look of. But I am really liking how extremely hydrated and smooth my skin is for the foundation application. Okay, so foundation is applied, and I love how my foundation and my skin is looking. So this foundation with other primers, mattifying primers, or even on its own, is pretty matte, but right now it is dewy, glowy, radiant. It looks so smooth and skin-like, like there's no cakiness of foundation texture. So I actually love this as a primer. It makes the skin look so good, so healthy, so moisturized. So wow, I am like actually very blown away by how much I love this under my foundation, because I didn't love it on my face alone, but it's just like the perfect texture right now. Sure, there's like a few specks of glitter peeking through, so that's the only thing. Like, I don't need the glitter in this. I just love the glow sheen. But then when I apply it to the body, I do like the glitter, just because like I personally love a little body glitter moment. But I just love the texture. I love how hydrating it is and smoothing and lightweight, but still shiny. So I have to say, in the end, I actually really love this, and I wasn't sure that I was going to, but I'm really excited to use this as a primer under foundation and as a body glitter moisturizing type product. So I'm really excited that I'm going to be able to use this for both purposes. So let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this PUR Iconic Glow dry oil and your favorite uses for it. And my skin right now is just looking and feeling so good that I'm definitely going to be wearing this for the rest of the day. So I'll put in the description down below some wear test results to let you know just how this lasts on the skin, if my skin dries out, if it gets really greasy, if the makeup melts off my face, anything like that. I'll let you know in the description down below, those wear test results. So check that out if you're curious. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.